Here's a quick and simple guide on how to fix the PayPal Quick Security Check. First, go to the official PayPal website and click Login at the top right. Enter your email and password to access your account. After logging in, PayPal may ask you to confirm your identity. Choose whether you want to receive the verification code through WhatsApp or SMS. Enter the code you received to continue. Once you pass the security check, PayPal will take you to your home screen. Click the settings icon in the top right, then open the Security tab. In the Security section, click Security Questions. Here, you can update or change your questions and answers. Choose answers that are memorable for you, but difficult for anyone else to guess. Updating your security questions helps refresh your account's verification data. This reduces the chance of PayPal repeatedly asking for extra security checks and keeps your account safer overall. And that's it. That's how to fix the PayPal Quick Security Check and update your security settings.